Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video we take a look at the top 3 best and most beautiful themes for your Xiaomi 12. After watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments which theme you like the most. So on the third place we have a theme that fully replicates the iOS design. To install this theme, open Theme Store and find here Style iOS. Click on this icon, click Apply, wait a while and go back to the home screen. So cool, it changed, as you can see, it changed all the icons in the menu on your home screen and even the settings menu too. So open settings menu, okay, reload settings menu, try to reload this. Reload settings menu, and as you can see it redraws all your system icons in settings menu too. It's really great theme, stable theme, and it's look really great. So in second place is Clouds theme. To install the theme, open Theme Store and find Clouds. Click on the theme section and scroll down, click Clouds and click Apply. Yeah, this theme with anima style girl. So go back to the home screen, clear your cache, clear your RAM, and as you can see this is a really great, really cool theme. This theme brings new light colors to the system, and this theme changes the visual appearance of the clock, change all your icons, redraws all your icons. This theme brings new background on your settings menu, and it's look really light and really great, smoothly. So this theme has a second place in our top, but in first place is proudly the Hydrogen Ball theme. To install this theme, open Theme Store and find here Hydrogen Ball. Apply this theme, go back to the home screen, reload your RAM, and as you can see this theme is incredible. It redraws not only the system icons but also the widgets. It will give your smartphone a new lease of life. The new colors not only do not interfere but also contribute to a comfortable use of your smartphone. So that's all. If you like any of the themes shown, write us about it in the comments, and if you use any other theme and think it is better than the one we showed you today, then by all means write us about it. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and see you. Bye.